Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will be showing you how I make my Jamaican sorrel juice. But before I proceed, please remember to give this video a like, share it with a friend, comment, and subscribe if you're new. Now I am washing my sorrel. I have these sorrel for a week. I kept it in the refrigerator. After I've completed washing my sorrel, I now washing 2 cinnamon sticks to put in the pot before I add my sorrel. Now the cinnamon stick is in the sorrel. I'm going to get a piece of ginger. You can choose the amount of ginger that you desire to go into your sorrel. I chose 1 piece because of my daughter. Can't make it too strong when we're giving the children. Anyways, in the pot, I have my cinnamon stick and my grated ginger. My sorrel petal is now in the pot. I'm going to let it boil for 3 minutes, after which I will turn off the stove and let it sit for a couple hours. Okay guys, so this is the next day. This is about midday the following day. This is what it looks like. You see the petal become so pale. Now I'm going to pour my sorrel into a clear bowl so that I can sweeten it to my likings. Now I'm going to add my rare nephew. Not going to add a lot because a child will be drinking from this bowl. Okay, so I'm just going to pour a little in the sorrel. You can add as much as you like. Add to your taste bud. Now I'm going to add my Real Vibe wine to it. I did not get any tonic wine. That's the red wine that they normally put in sorrel juice. I did not get any, so I'm going to use Real Vibe. Hope it tastes the same. Now I'm adding my sugar. I'm not a fan of sweetness, so I'm not going to add a lot of sugar to my sorrel. But as I said before, it's your sorrel, so you can add the amount of sugar that you like. Add it to suit your taste bud. After I said the sorrel, and it really needed some more sugar, so I added a little bit more, and I'm stirring until all the sugar is dissolved. So guys, this is a very interesting part. I don't know how many of you remember when you were younger and your parents did not have refrigerator, and they would use rice as a method to keep the sorrel preserved for a long period of time. I don't know if any of you have had that experience, but my grandmother used to use rice grain within the bottle to preserve the sorrel for as long as she would wanted. And believe me, the longer it stay, you know, the more the people, all people would say it cure. Yeah. So you know you'd get a better drink at that time.